Fujifilm has just announced the $1,500 X-T3, which is the latest addition to the company's X series of APS-C mirrorless cameras. It's the continuation of the 2016 X-T2, a camera dear to Fujifilm shooters anyway that has become more powerful and capable over time thanks to a lot of firmware updates. The X-T2 of today is a completely different beast from when I tried it for the first time. Your autofocus, video capabilities and track tracking have been tightly adjusted. But after reaching the ceiling for what it can take out of the X-T2, Fujifilm has decided that now is the time to acquire new hardware. The X-T3 marks the debut of a new 26.1 megapixel sensor, can record 4K video at 60 FPS, and promises the best autofocus system the company has ever produced. It will go on sale on September 20 at an initial price of $1,499.95 or $1,899.99 with the well-known kit lens 18-55. The X-T3 actually costs $100 less than the X-T2 at launch. To get to that price point, Fujifilm moved the assembly of the camera from Japan to China, a decision that does not feel so good to some of the fans of the company. Unlike the proud and prominent Made in Japan that was stamped on the back of the X-T2, the X-T3 shares the same body style and button placement as the X-T2, although it measures a bit larger and is a bit heavier. The X-T3 seems to be a great evolution of the X-T2. With a new sensor, a faster processor, significantly improved autofocus and even better EVF than before,